Open ECOVACS Home app. Tap to open Video Manager. Set the password lock and then enter the main screen. You can use 4 direction control buttons at the bottom left of the screen to control the forward and reverse movement and left and right rotation of DEEBOT. Select Arrival on Command. Tap the location on your home map. Tap Go, and DEEBOT will move to the designated area. When you select Home Patrol, DEEBOT will automatically go to the selected points on the map and take 4 photos of each point. The captured images can be viewed in the album. Click on Voice Call to connect with DEEBOT anytime, anywhere, and engage in real-time interactive chat, making communication more fun. You can also tap the photo and video recording buttons to capture images or footage, which you can then view in the album. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.